Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a classic fried fish with ginger. It's actually one of our family favorites because it's so crispy and so aromatic. Now the key ingredient is ginger and lots of it, but if you really don't like ginger, I suppose you can leave it out, but it's just not going to be the same, but it will be rather tasty though. Now the way to do it is to fry the ginger in the oil until it's crispy. Then we set aside the ginger and then we use the oil that's already been infused with the ginger, and then we fry the fish in it and until it's crispy. And we use the little bit of this oil now which has been infused with the ginger and the fish, and we use a little bit of it to make the sauce. So you can imagine how aromatic and delicious this dish is going to be. So now let's head to the market to get our fish. This is my regular fish vendor at the market. Look at all the interesting varieties. And we found a black pomfret here, very fresh. He's helping to clean the fish right now. And frankly, this is something that I would really hate to do it myself. So after cleaning the fish, he's going to help me to score the fish. So this is actually really good for speeding up the process of cooking. And finally, yay, the fish is done. So now that we got our fish sorted out, we can actually start making the dish. But before we do so, I would like to say, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I hope you can do so. And please click that notification bell too. And I have some links down below with lists of low carb and keto products for you to check it out. And so let's head over to my kitchen and start making that fish now.